Before we get started, please like and follow. It really helps the rescue and means more than you know. First things first, we have to distract the sheep so they don't run out the gate. And honestly, food always works. Once that's handled, I can drive the truck in and back it up to the storage area. We usually buy our feed once a month from a local feed manufacturer near us, Fettner & Son Grain Co. They've been a great place for us and have always treated us well. This was actually a small order, just 25 50-pound bags. We also go through about 4 5-foot round bales of hay every month.
And an old storage tank. Yeah, kind of junky, does need to be cleaned up some. That's what we do. Now we got a FIFO, move everything over to the side. We grab them first, and then all the new stuff goes in.
It's not always fun and games doing this kind of work, but it has to get done regularly. The animals don't care if it's cold, rainy, or blazing hot. They still need food and water every single day. Restocking rabbit feed, chicken feed, and a horse's 50-gallon barrel. So I load some older bags back into the truck to make room.
Devil's claw. Save on waste.
We keep hot wire running around the property to keep the horses on one side. They've got about 12 to 13 acres all to themselves.
What are y'all doing? I like that salt lick.
That right there is an all-natural mineral lick.
Look at your lip. You've been hitting that pretty hard.
Little did I know, in the background, Bubba was already up to no good, like usual. He's super chill and not easily scared, but he definitely gets into things. He's only 2 years old.
Bubba. Let's go. Here. That's the one, Montana, Rome, the white one, constantly getting to these bags. There still needs to be trained, but he was a rescue from an overfilling rescue. And he looks way better now, but he's a little fatty. Stay away from here. Bubba and Montana, you two are the worst. Yeah, you better go over there. Yeah, you and you. Stay away. Pellets. Basically the same thing, just compressed.
Those are alfalfa cubes. We always water their feed down because we've seen horses choke before, and that's not funny at all. It's really important to soak their feed each time.
I mean, this is up here, and it needs to be out there. I'm gonna have to get one of those panels and wire it from there to here. Just have to.
Oh wait, get me some for India real quick. I'm gonna get Ryder inside.
Beat you this time. That's right. Go, bud. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Bubba! Bubba, no! Watch the camera, Bubba.
And of course, Bubba is back at it again. We've had Bubba for about 5 months now. He was 1 when we got him, according to the vet, and he's definitely 2 years old now. The terrible twos.
Started doing that more and more. Now we learned it. Now I gotta fix that now. Thanks for creating another issue that I have to, another job, Bubba. You're 2 years old. You're a big boy now.
I'm a big boy now.
Ugh. to get special treatment. She's around 25, 26-ish, the vet said. No, said around 25 to 26, 27-ish. She's up in age. And her teeth are mostly gone.
She was 8 or 9.
I didn't believe that for there was 1 second you did, but the other ones are, I knew they were the Kings. She's above that. And him, their teeth got worked on. They have basically flat teeth, almost no teeth anymore. They have to have wet food and more because they were losing so much weight that they couldn't eat.
When we feed them separately, keep the other voices.
I need to eventually
If you've stuck around this long, we really appreciate you. You can find links to our website in the description to learn more about the rescue. Hopefully this year we'll start having open day visits and rehoming more horses.
And then we have Montana, another troublemaker.
But this is how they stay. Look at the little rat dog
They've always eating the horses.
chasing the car.
Come here, right now. Like now I'm eating with them. And they just let her.
That's Tally, our Great Pyrenees, keeping an eye on things.
Yeah, I see her.
Thanks for watching, and please like and follow. It really helps us help more horses.
But Montana does try to stomp.
Come on.